Hey guys, welcome back to Andy's Corner. I just want to do a real quick tip today about some of the wiring in some of our condensing units, heat pumps especially, and definitely some of our higher end air conditioners are starting to get pretty packed in the electrical panel there. So, you know, you've got all this low voltage wiring running around here mixed in with high voltage. You want to make sure all these wires are nice and neat and tidy and cleaned up. You know, like this one, it's just a rat's ball. There's a contactor hiding down in there somewhere. There's just some stuff everywhere. So you want to make sure you tidy all these wires up, tie everything tight. That way it doesn't move around, especially these low voltage wires. You know, when you put that door on there, you don't want that rubbing against the door and rubbing through. That insulation is pretty thin, so you'll rub a short in there or break a wire or something like that. So just make sure everything's tidied up, cleaned up. You want your work to look nice anyways. And then like all these wire nuts that are in here, see how they're everywhere. I mean, Lord forbid we don't want any moisture in here, but if there were to be any moisture, whenever you tie everything up, turn all those wire nuts up, and that way if there were to ever be any moisture in there, you know, it'll have a chance to, you know, come out of there. Like I said, we don't want any condensation or moisture at all, but just in case there were to ever be something, you don't want to cause a problem for later on. So turn all these wire nuts up, and then I'm going to go through and we'll tidy all these wires, you know, tie them together, bunch it up, see if we can get it a little neater and cleaner. And that's about it for today. Thank you and God bless.